Hi everyone, thank you for watching Laugayata. You can post your chemistry related questions in the comment section and I'll make a video solution for that. Whenever we study about chemical kinetics, we come across a term which is rate constant. So it is denoted as small k, right? Rate constant. And although it's a constant, but it depends upon two factors. One is the temperature and the another is activation energy. And the term the denotation for activation energy is EA and for temperature it is capital T. And the equation which connects this rate constant, temperature and activation energy is the Arrhenius equation. The equation is small k is equal to A e raised to the power minus EA over RT, right? Where small k is the rate constant, capital A is the Arrhenius constant. This is the activation energy. Capital R is the gas constant and capital T is the temperature. So the value of R is 8.314 joule per Kelvin per mole, right? So we know the value of R. If we are doing an experiment, we keep on changing the temperatures and we note the value of rate constant. So after that, we make a plot out of it, and from that plot, we can calculate the capital A and EA. So let's see how can we do that. So the equation is K is equal to A e raised to the power minus EA over RT. If we take log on both the sides, natural log, then it can be written as ln of K is equal to ln of A plus ln of e raised to the power minus EA over RT. Now, if we simplify this, it can be written as ln of A, and this natural log and e will get cancelled and it can be written as minus EA over RT. Now, I'll shuffle these things and I'll get it as ln of K is equal to minus EA over R multiplied by 1 by T plus ln of A. Right? So I have just shuffled the things and I have brought this 1 by T in the bracket. So what we will do is we will compare this equation with the slope of line, which is y is equal to mx plus c, right? So what is here that y-axis we plot ln of k, on x-axis we plot 1 by t, and from that plot the slope, which is m, is minus ea over r, and the intercept, which is c, is equal to ln of a. So the slope is minus EA over R, right? And the intercept is ln of A. And we make a plot between ln of K and 1 over T. So where 1 over T is the x value and x on x-axis and ln of K is on y-axis. Now let's take a question and try to plot it out. So the question is, for a reaction A gaseous plus B gaseous gives C gaseous, use the following data to determine the activation energy in and Arrhenius constant. So let's see here. So the data which is shown is at different temperatures, the rate constants are given. Okay, so the temperature is in degrees Celsius and rate constant is in per mole per second. Right? Now, what we will do is, for the graph, we need 1 over t and ln of k, right? So we will do that. So I have just written this thing again. So this is temperature, which was given here, and this is small k, which is rate constant, right? I've repeated this thing. Then what I did is, for the equation I need temperature in Kelvin. So I have converted this in Kelvin by using the formula T Kelvin is equal to T in Kelvin is equal to T in degrees Celsius plus 273. Okay. Then what I did is I took the reciprocal of that. So I divided this t by 1. So 1 by t, these are the 1 by t values. Okay. Then another thing what I did is I took the natural log of k. So ln of k. This values were converted into these because we need to make a plot between 1 by t and ln of k. Then using the Excel, I put this 1 by t on the x-axis and ln of k on the y-axis. So let's see the plot. So you can see here that this is 1 by t which is on x-axis and ln of k which is on y-axis, and these are the points. And then what I did is I put the linear fit on those points, and by putting that fit, the equation of the line which I got was y is equal to minus 13608 x plus 30.359, and the regression was 0.9515. Okay. Now, when I compare this equation with the equation of line, I know that this is the slope, right? And this is the intercept. Okay. Now, from the Arrhenius equation, I know that the slope is equal to minus EA over R, right? So it was minus EA over R, that is equal to minus 13608. Now I'll cancel the minus minus sign and I'll get EA is equal to 13608 multiplied by R. And what was the value of R? It was 13608 multiplied by 8.314. So when I solve this, I'll get the value as 113136.9 joules per mole, right? And when I convert it into kilojoules, I'll get the answer as 113.14 kilojoules per mole. As it is an activation energy, so the units will be joules per mole or kilojoules per mole. Okay. Now from the intercept, I can calculate the ln of A. So ln of A will be equal to 30.359, right? And A will be equal to e raised to the power 30.359, and when you will do this in your calculator, you'll get the value of 1.53 multiplied by 10 to the power 13. Now what will be the units of this Arrhenius constant? So it will be same as that of rate constant. So it will be per molar per second. So these are the values of activation energy and the Arrhenius constant which we got from the plot. So you will be using the data which is given in the question. Then you will convert it such that you get the values of ln k as well as 1 by t. Then you will make a plot. You will put a linear fit. From that linear fit, you will make an equation of line. From that equation of line, you will calculate the values of E, A, and capital A. Right? So I hope this whole thing was clear to you. Please like and subscribe to the channel Log Iota and press the bell icon